Portable outdoor rocking chair quickly and easily folds flat for storage and transportation. It also has a mesh backrest. Outdoor rocking chair. Portable folding chair quickly and easily folds flat for simple storage and transportation. Sturdy powder-coated steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, includes padded armrests and built-in beverage holder. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy powder-coated steel, foldable chair frame supports up to 250 pounds and includes padded armrests, a mesh backrest, and beverage holder. Patented spring-action rocking technology delivers smooth rocking motion anywhere outdoors, lawn, patio, camping or tailgating. Top reviews from the United States. The best chairs ever. Shop around for price though. Amazon is high. We full-time in our RV and over the last 15 years have gone through a lot of types of chairs. These are the most comfortable chairs we've ever owned. They fold flat super easy, are light enough to pack one-handed across the RV park to neighboring BBQs, rock in uneven ground, grass and gravel and store flat in the underbelly of our trailer for travel. Quite simply the best. We love them so much we will be buying 3 to 4 more. Though it would be nice if Amazon came down on price a bit. Friends of ours picked these up for just under $50 at Academy.